If you're serious about furniture restoration, you need the right tools. One tool that stands out is the pointed nozzle bottle. This versatile tool is perfect for applying touch-up paint, filler, and other repair materials with incredible accuracy. It's especially useful for filling small cracks or repairing fine details that require precision. See spills or excess material, the pointed nozzle gives you full control. Simply squeeze the bottle, and it applies the right amount of material right where you need it. Like knots or divots in the wood can be easily repaired. The pointed nozzle bottle ensures that the filler or paint doesn't spill over onto the surrounding surface, making cleanup a breeze.